At least 7 people missing in the South Korean capital of Seoul and metropolitan area overnight, authorities said on Tuesday, after torrential rain knocked out power and left roads and subways submerged. The southern part of Seoul received more than 100 mm, or 3.9 inches of rain per hour on late Monday, with some part of the city having received 141.5 mm of rain, the worst rainfall in 80 years, according to local media citing Korea Meteorological Administration. The accumulated precipitation in Seoul stood at 420 mm, or 16.5 inches as of 5 a.m. Tuesday, with more rain forecast. In the glitzy, highly concentrated Gangnam district, some buildings were without power and had been inundated while cars, buses, and subway stations were submerged, leaving people stranded. Some stores had also been underwater. At least 5 people missing in Seoul and 2 others in the neighboring Gyeonggi province as of 6 a.m. Tuesday, the Central Disaster and Safety Countermeasures Headquarters said.